Hi guys, it's me, Misha Suvorov. Let's prep for tomorrow real quick. Let me pop test. Almost perfect on test. A little bit volume here, and that's why. Um, my first stop is here, and the second one is here. 882. Oops, I'm sorry. It didn't give the volume here, but because it's like went to the after hours, to the evening session, so and the stop is mental, of course. I think it will go. Um, yeah, guys. Starbucks just died. Like, died. Absolutely train wrecked. Just continue grinding lower. We'll see. We'll see how it works out tomorrow. This guy, what are we looking at? Yeah. Um, oh no. Wait. Why did I not take this trade? An hour. Oh, hey. Hey, Aditya. How's it going, man? Oh, this looks nasty. Yeah, it does look nasty. However, this entire volume is here. It looks like it was good for a, yeah. Gosh, I was so distracted by 5 minutes. I completely missed. Volume is weird though. And once again, I'm sure this volume does not reflect. So it's 5.6 millions here on April 4th. And it's 160, like 300, 320, 450, 670, 750, like a million, 1.6 million, like 2 millions. 2 millions on hourly and 5 millions on daily again. Hey, how did you do? How's your trade? How's your trade going? Yeah, looks like I missed a trade here that looked like this. Like this. And ever since here, this became a, yeah. This is kind of scary though, this volume. Let's see how it plays out tomorrow. Yeah, because it's a good volume though. It's all here. It's all here. And I missed it. Will it do it again? Will it do it again? I think it will go. I think it will gap. Yeah, I missed it. I missed it. Last minutes of the hour. Yay, yay, yay. They look super weird. They look super weird though. I can set up a... Should I set it up like this? I think it's useless to set it up because it's either will just gap over there. Hmm. On daily, this volume is not scary, like at all. At all. At all. And after this volume, you see, literally went into our face and fell off the cliff. Is it a coincidence? You see this like little volume here? Look at this, guys. Jump to it. Wow. Great job. Great job. Let me know if you need me to take a look at any of your trades. I can set up a limit order. I would have bought it here. It's just the thing is, it's like, it's a little bit useless because if it doesn't jump tomorrow, then it's kind of creepy. But if it does, we can put it. I can type it in. I can type it in. Daily look gross though, but I don't know how to decipher it. Where this 5.6 millions are coming from. Absolutely no fucking clue. Abso-fucking-lutely. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm cursing. Have no clue. But yeah, if it goes, it goes, and yeah, thinks it's a good trade. What? Oh, okay. Entry price, stop price. Yeah, same deal as short impulse, biggest volume onto biggest volume to spring. Weak test. Weak test to onto correction. Uh, yeah, I'll take a look at Euro USD right now. Just give me a sec. You want to short it on hourly, daily, or monthly? Let me just put it here. Euro USD. Euro USD. And by the way, last time you were absolutely right on your trade. I looked at after. Still the same. It's 5 minutes. Okay. It's in the balance. Contextual direction short. Incoming direction long. So contradiction. This guy went like there is no tomorrow. Change directionality. 5 minutes or day. That's a big difference. 5 minutes is a day trade, and day is a investment trade. So on day, kind of monthly doesn't give us enough of context. Day went above this level. I don't like this volume. So technically now you see it came to 0.5 of this entire thing. You don't really measure it like this, but yeah, you can see how it respected 0.5. It went to 0.5, and here this is called shorting of a thrust bar, because like similar volume, technically this is a significant level bar, and this is of course is the volume that can hold. You see all this volume, so you can expect it to hold in here. But yeah, it's in a long impulse right now, correcting. Once it closes this bar bearish, it will be in correction. But yeah, looks more long than short as of now. I would expect it to bounce off here and go up. On hourly, give me a setup. How do you like the way you see it? Your entry, stop loss, and take profit, and I'll be able to tell you more. But based off what I see, it's like, let me see real quick. Yeah, so it broke down here. This is the volume to support us. But once again, my method of technical analysis are not really good for Forex, because volume spread analysis is really good for auctions, where auctioneer does its best to facilitate the trade by satisfying best bid and best ask uh, in the first place. And Forex is something else. Forex is kitchens. There's like international banks that make quotations, and there is so-called like kitchens, boiler rooms. Some people call them brokers, but they're not brokers really, that define their quotations and supply their customers, traders, with those quotations. So I'm not very knowledgeable about how all that works. Just know that technical analysis is most suitable. Yeah, so we're kind of in between this like two volumes. Here on hourly, it's in a short um, impulse, which is a correction to the daily. You see there was like a long impulse and now it's correcting, going into this volume zone somewhere. So I think it's going to bounce and go up. This is one of the signs of corrections. So biggest T1 is on volume though, but this bar looks like it wants to change the direction. Looks like it went to, it's not in 0.5, it's a little bit like lower. That's your trade. That definitely worked. What's your entry? Your entry stop loss. Let's take profit. Yeah, so I'm not sure about short. I need this bar to close and then the reaction bar to see how it goes. But as of now, it looks more like it wants to reverse from here. That's how it normally reverses. 5 minutes. 5 minutes look more short than long with all this volume here. Doesn't look like it wants to reverse just quite yet. However, it came here, and broke above and below. Yeah, so now it's breaking this. On 5 minutes, it looks more long than short. Yeah, so it's something like this. It's the long impulse now. Oops. This looks like an exhaustion volume a little bit. So this volume is alarming. You could tell there's going to be correction. And it did correct into 0.5, close to 0.5. Yeah, it actually springs this level right now. It's too high here, above. It's too close to the 0.5. Yeah, no, I wouldn't be able. So, oh, how did this happen? Yeah, no, man, I can't. Once again, contextual direction is short, incoming direction is long, so doesn't give us a context. Day looks bullish, however, stumbled of this 0.5 now in correction. Looks like it's, I mean, if this bar closes bearish, it's correction, so I would wait. So I would more so on daily if I was to play it, but I don't have context on daily. So I would have waited it to go here and bounce. On hourly though, hourly looks more like it's gonna break and go up. Yeah, so if this bar closes bullish, means it reversed. Yeah. ,5 minute. This looks more bullish. So now it's here in this diapason. So yeah, that's about I can tell. That's about I can tell about your. But this guy, should I be concerned about this volume? Um, 8, 6, 8, 6, 2, 3. Profit taker 1.83. Oh, you're looking short. You're looking short. 6, 2, 3. Profit taker 10346. Stop level 10668. 10623. I don't think it's minutes, it's like hours. Let's put it everywhere. Okay. Is it right? Is it the right setup? Is it how you played it? Is it the trade you took? Is it a setup or a trade? Is it the trade you took, or is it a setup that you? Do you mean it like this? If it's the trade you already took, then great job. I don't know, like I cannot identify anything here. I understand how you. Yeah, so I wouldn't be able to identify this trade. So if you took it like this. If that's the trade, great job. I don't know how you. Okay, well, I don't know. It's not. I don't know how you identified it, so how you took it, but great job. It's a really great trade. You made money playing off. Let me see. So I don't think I would be able to identify anything here. Broke above. Corrected. Yeah. No, there is no way I could have identified this trade. Yeah. So I don't know how you took this trade, but for now it looks on hourly, it looks more like as if it's trying to, you see, correct. So I would expect the resumption of the main trade. But yeah, congratulations. Great trade. Really, really great trade. This guy can type it into my broker, but I think it will go tomorrow. This volume is weird. I don't know how to react to this volume. I think it's gonna go. It's gotta go. Ideally, volume. Let me yes, stock is bigger, is more than the sum of hourly volumes that they. Let me check. What I mean. Yeah, then hourly. From what I've seen, the D interval is actually for the session. It doesn't include the overnight. The 24 interval is basically the D with the overnight open high. And I found that for indicating the D interval is more accurate. If that's truly the case, as I half-jokingly mentioned in my original being that extremely misleading, are unloading a massive number of shares at the top of this last rally on many mega cap stock. And everyone looking into the daily charts has no fucking idea because it's not going after hours crazy. The last few weeks I've noticed many charts seem to have. I'm trying to understand why the volume mismatches one and match up on them. Just testing. No, I got from the. Huh. Yeah, I'll need to inquire more. But for now, someone put actually an interesting idea. So what if we put 24 hours here? Wait. Same, right? Yeah, now you see 163 volume. Yeah, so 24 hours plus 163. So the design is like all the same, but volume is different from daily. Switch it over to daily now. Boom. I think it's good to go. Oh, hey. Haha. We're looking at the same. Hi, Casey. We're looking at the same stocks. Oh, you're looking at it short. Actually, I'm looking for a long entry. You're looking for a short on daily. So monthly is short but corrected to 0.5. Quick answer is no. I don't like it for a short entry. I like it for a long entry. Even though officially it's a short trend right now, short impulse, it came to the 0.5 correction. And I don't think it's in a short impulse still. I think it's kind of like changes direction here. So I do believe it will bounce off 0.5 and go higher. I think so. Unless with this volume, that's an exhaustion volume right here. The biggest volume of this short impulse. Like this. Yeah, I think that was it. And ever since it was like going higher. Yeah, and here it did like this little balance. Actually, the true story was like this. And then fire, one more up thrust, and then it went down. One more up thrust, and then it like it is as it very often does. Just before like end of correction, it just breaks it down, tricks everyone. A bearish trap. So it was over here. Then this candle came in. There's still volume here, but now it's at support level on monthly. So I would expect a bounce here. I'm sitting waiting for it to buy it long. And here also, like, yeah, it's in a short impulse, but at the support level of superior time frame. So I don't like no short setup here. And 37.32, stop loss 89, 86, profit level 82.25 take profit. Yeah, so it's a daily setup. No, I do not like it because I would only consider it short after it closes and reaction bar closes short on monthly. Then I can play in continuation of the trend, and I would be looking for setups. No, I think that more likely than not, it will correct or reverse at some point. We still to see like a big volume, something comparable to this. So we still to see like a big volume to come in, and it kind of like daily forming a level, like some kind of exhaustion volume, and spread doesn't change, and then bounces, goes, spring, and then I'll buy it long. So no, I don't like a short setup on Starbucks at all. I think I like this long setup. And I think I'm gonna crunch the numbers into my broker. I still don't know. Look what I found, Casey. I found that when you switch to 24 hours, volume changes and starts matching what happened during the day. But if you look at daily, they're adding some volume at daily. And I think they're adding the dark pools. Now I think about it more and more and more. So monthly is this, daily, it's going to be trend trade, long balance, ice level, 1-2 correction, neutral zone, neutral zone. So am I setting myself up for disaster like I had on Intel? It's a trend trade, and it's a long impulse, and it's a biggest volume T2 level. It's the biggest volume T2 level, and it's a support level, and it's the biggest volume spring. Yeah. And that's an hourly context. Wow. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it if it gives me an entry. It's conservative and it's a spring and it's a trend and it's a trend. What? It's counter trend on monthly officially. Counter trend towards spring. It's towards spring. Yeah, I mean, if it gives me an entry, I'll take it. Hold on, Casey. Let me take a look at it. Yeah. And 1 hour. Let me just finish with this guy. Calculated affordable stop loss. Wanted to risk to reward. Big profit. Yeah, I think it's good. If it gives me an entry. What are you saying? Oh, Casey, I got out of Home Depot. Luckily. Attricure. Here. Held it first, then broke down. Formed this balance. Casey is looking short now. Casey is looking short. Yeah, there is some gloom on the market. Markets start looking not short, but not so long anymore. Yeah, it got in this balance and then kind of went here. And then springed it again. And now it's, so I don't like it on monthly. On monthly, it's it's like useless to look at this like this. I think this is absolutely so. Yeah. I think it's something like this. In a short, so incoming directionality of this balance is short. I don't like it on monthly because it's still a reaction bar. And this looks like an exhaustion volume to me. It's weird that it went below the exhaustion volume. This is kind of suggesting that it will continue to go lower. So for now, it's still officially in the short balance with expanding eyes. It kind of like springs it, like springs again, and now with this volume, it tries to break it down, but I need a reaction bar to close below the support level so that to recognize it officially broken and put it like this. But it's only, I'll be able to do it in 1st of May. It really kind of goes lower. It looks like it's gonna do it. But um, yeah, it looks short on, it looks, tested it, went lower, tested it again, went lower. Yeah, so it does look short. This is a transitory extremum now on daily. It looks short on daily. However, I already know that your setup is more like investment trade. It's on daily, I think. Okay, so it broke this level on days. Looking good. Um, this also looks like an exhaustion, at least like locally here. So, but it went lower. So technically, yeah, technically it's in a long trend, long impulse on daily. It's in the reaction bar at support level on monthly. And it's in the short impulse on daily. This being the biggest volume, it already tested it and went lower. So yeah, daily looks short for all I care. 25, 68. 28, 78. Yeah, it's a monthly setup. Yeah, 1948. Yeah, it's a monthly setup. Yeah. Yeah, no, I need this reaction bar to be closed. And then it kind of go back to this volume level and from here. Yeah, that's all I can tell you. Okay, so let me put it into my broker. Into my broker. It's funny because this guy is also traded on TSX, and I have access to TSX. But look at these volumes. This is this is not funny. Yeah. Okay. See, I'll put it in my broker. Friday is profit taker. So yeah, if it doesn't gap, if it like opens and kind of retest it. Strong approach though. It's a strong approach. Ideally, we need a test here. The rest is good. And it's kind of like a little bit farther below the 0.5. What's going on here? I'm gonna change one of my brokers. I don't like it at all. I want to see something though. Volume. On daily. What? This is bullshit. Sorry for my, pardon my dirty French. Oh, I don't understand it. I don't understand how you so. Da, 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 da. Why is it inactive? Just what's going on? I think there's something going on with my broker. There's something wrong that's going on with my broker right now. Yeah, Casey, I see a setup. We'll take a look at it right now. Let me just figure out what's going on with my freaking broker. I don't like it. Okay, it was killed. Okay, once again. What do you mean? Um, Profit level. Yes, profit taker. Yeah. Oof. This broker is difficult. I need to change my broker, I think. I mean, I got enough of its glitches. Spotify. Let's take a look at Spotify. Yeah, it looks way better. Spotify is greedy, it doesn't pay dividend. It came up here. Balance, balance, balance. Came down. Came down, broke above. It's in this gigantic strange. It's also, it's not a historical volume, but it's our highest. Well, never mind it. Yeah, so the historical volume is here. So in this regard, looking good. Volume distribution is good, is right here in 0.5. Yeah, this stock is looking good. Continuation of the trend. Volume distribution is good, it's here. I'm not a fan of what's going on daily. It came here, broke down below, confirmed as, yeah, it already changed directionality once on daily. It's not good. You don't want the trend to change its directionality on the inferior time frame. It's a bad sign. It's a sign that the stock is like kind of becoming jerky. So in here, it never broke, so it's in this stretch really. So yeah, it broke below, then, so yeah. So that's how it happened. Technically, this is the biggest volume, but I don't like the configuration of this bar. It looks really good for correction. And kind of like officially 0.5 is from here, but realistically it's from here right into this. But yeah, let's keep it here. So this would be a good level to buy. Technically it's still in the long impulse, but I'm not a fan of this volume, of this configuration. Comparable volume, and it didn't go nowhere. It hit the wall here. Yeah, first here, then broke above is this volume. This volume is good though. Yeah, no man, I don't like it on daily. 305.19, profit level 330, 80, stop loss 293.40. Yeah, no, I don't like it. This looks like an exhaustion bar. Even though the bigger volume is here, this looks like an exhaustion, at least for here. If it like triggers you in and then goes here, very likely, or even here. So, comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. My broker is just pissing me off. Don't know what it's trying to do, but it's pissing me off. Let me try to log into my other broker and see if it's any better. I don't know if it went through or not. It's just freaking out. But yeah, I think it's a trade. If it goes, I like it. I like it. Hold on. Yes, it's conservative. Conservative trend trade. Excuse me. I hope that my order went through in my broker, or otherwise I'd be pissed to wake up tomorrow and see that it would have been triggered but didn't, because my broker is jerking off. TD swing long conservative trend trade daily context monthly context. Oh yeah. Trend chart, wave analysis, long, show more, tax, TD long, setup, we say volume, spread analysis, waves, YCUF, support, and resistance zones, TD, swing. Yeah, I hope my broker doesn't let me down, and if it goes, he'll trigger me. But what else? Let's see the rest. Our air products, boom. Yeah, close me here instead of here, but okay. Coin all right. Ooh, this is not sexy at all. GNG just murdering me. And now it's officially, yeah, gave me a chance to quit. I didn't. Um, is it aka TD? LC? Home Depot let me out. TD, I set up the trade. AMT. AMT. Interesting. Yeah. Pays dividends. Let's see financials on this guy. It's okay. 1 billion only. It's not a big cap. I don't like it on daily already. Yeah, here broke above. No, I don't like it on monthly because it's in reaction bar. Is it reaction bar or is it high? 0.23 high. Yeah, it's in reaction bar for this resistance level. So yeah. It's in a long trend, in a long impulse. However, it's at resistance level reacting right now. And this volume says that we should expect some. It has a big buyer's tail, but it suggests, and like this volume here, yeah, it looks like more it wants to reverse rather than. So this was the biggest volume, and this is the biggest volume of the entire uptrend. No, so I don't like it on monthly at all. This was a good level, and there is good like buyer tails. However, yeah, daily looks better. Untested volume, partially tested volume. Kind of like the daily volume distribution is good. However, this bar does not look good. This bar looks pretty bad. And there is no level to draw on daily yet. That was the last level. So yeah, no, I don't like it on monthly. I don't like it on daily. It all looks for reversal. So no matter like your setup, I already can tell you I don't like it at all. 23.58 stop loss 20.72, and it's a monthly setup 29.29. Yeah, it's a monthly setup. It's not a daily setup, and no, I don't like it. I need the reaction bar to close above, and with this volume, I think it's due correction rather than continuation. That's how I see it. This guy finally bounced. Why am I looking at it on on anywhere? Why is it on my hourly watch? And just because it's getting close. Let's put it on daily. It's no. This guy we already took a look at. It's here. Yeah. This guy went without us. This volume though suggests it will go Yeah, no bueno. No bueno. So it's a daily watch. So many things are going on. Apple too. Let's wait till it comes like to its daily level. Yeah, let's put it on a daily watch. Exactly. This guy. Yeah. Why is it on my hourly watch? It's good on monthly. It's good. I want it, but again, it's not good till tomorrow. Look at this, my dudes. Look at this. This guy is falling off the cliff. On 2.5 counter trend to this volume level. It went down. Yeah, no, this is daily watch. Oof. It's pretty sweet. No? Comes tomorrow. Ooh, I was drunk. Look at this. Look at this charting. Look at this charting. Yeah. This can be good. Counter trend, but I mean, yeah, this is a good watch. What are we looking at? Yeah, good. It's not like Comcast. It's a wider. It missed it. Change the directionality though. This might be it. This might be it. Yeah, that's an hourly watch. A lot of stuff going on, I can tell you that. Yeah. 353, 356. Yeah, so this is a history now. It did touch it by hair. It did touch it. This all is the history. Now, yeah. Yeah, the other stock is not like Comcast. Costco, CVS. Yeah. I'd rather see it like this now. Yeah. I'd rather see it like this. Oh, BlackRock. Do you want to even touch it? This volume comes in. Do you want to even touch it? So high up there. Didn't go. Because if if it doesn't go, it's like this. It can be like this. Do you want any of that? Yeah, that was like a healthy 2R right here. But now, I mean, let's watch tomorrow. Let's watch tomorrow. Taiwan. A lot of stuff going on. Again, do you want to trade it like this? Look at Abby. Guys, the market is, it wasn't even like that. It was like this, went down. Yeah. Wow. I mean, let's put it on the daily watch, but it's no bueno. Where's our SPY? I'm curious how SPY is doing. I'm curious how SPY is doing. Let me check my. Yay. Market got nervous. Casey, are you triggered in on this trade? Did you take this one? Are you triggered in? I'm not sure about this trade. Maybe I should wait. For a test, which I'll be sleeping during. This was not bad. This was not bad. No, let's keep it. Let's keep it. I'm not sure what my broker is doing. It's just doing BS. Right. No, it doesn't let me to plug it in. Let's try again. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. The other broker I can put in the order, but most likely won't be able to. You know what? Maybe that's why. Let's see if it does it any better. Ooh. Still good. Everything is good on this stock. Where the heck? Okay. Yeah, same deal. And I kind of puts in the order, but then say it's inactive. Boo. Boo to you. Okay, I'll do the same. Wow. Let me look up something real quick. My dictionary doesn't have it. Okay. No, it's one triggers the other. Okay, right. So, okay, I can do this. Okay, I found how to do it. First of all, let's see. Now I want to see this order gone. So, yeah. I want to see. It's gonna be conditional, and one triggers the other. And first, you want to buy. Buy the limit price of 51. So if it buys me at this price, then I want to activate the take profit at this price. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Perfect. That's all I need. Perfect. Okay. I think I'm going to just move to one single. To one single broker, because my other broker pisses me off. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Ugh. This didn't go as planned, but it's okay, because we are kind of in this trade. I just don't want it this long. Because this is kind of like a bigger picture of what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like highlight this. Spring too more. I don't want to. It will be like too long of a trade. So, but an hourly it already went there. It's okay, yeah, because there was no volume. I think it will do something like this. I think it will do something like this. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Let's see. Let me see the yuan. Okay. Just continues nowhere. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go. See you all guys tomorrow. PM.